Kodhi nyime eni piny owacho ma pachoka indikoro yudo omenda maromo siling bilion 14.8 kawuok e duol mar International Fund for Agriculture Development mar mondo mi gigundh godo chenro mar ohala mar pith mar rech e kor gwenge madirom 15. Jagoro mongirore e bwo migao mar State Department for Fisheries, Aquaculture and Blue Economy, Laktar Francis Owino, koro wacho ni chenro noero mabiro kao igni 8 biro chiero sekta noero mabende osebedo kalwar. Migosi Owino omedo wacho ni chenro manyien noero biro neno ni ponds mag rech mayanda dhi karumo osir ayanga.
Because of the disorder, because of lack of clear guidelines and regulations in the fishing space, and that is the gap that the project is coming to bridge. We must know which is the right gear, known to the fisherman, known to the security agencies and everybody else. And so in the process of sensitization, this will become clear. But as we sensitize, we are also bringing in facilities for those who have already been identified, the fish liners, the nets, and etc. etc.
We are, as much as we want fish from the lake, but the lake is also used for transport and other activities. So that's why we are saying that we need to create order, and when we do it in an orderly way, and that's why we are saying key are policies and regulations that will guide our fishing in those lakes. We have also heard that we have a world-class laboratory here, which is well equipped, and that the country has also been given a market in the European Union. So with that, we shall be able to achieve a lot, and we can create a lot of market for our farmers. And we really want to stress on pond farming so that we don't overfish. We have the ability, because according to our program, each farmer will be producing at least 1 ton per day.